Hey, this is Shane with Kendall Subaru. Today we are unpacking the Thule Rooftop tent. This is a medium 2 to 3 person rooftop tent. We are going to start by unzipping the vinyl cover. Step 2 is going to be grabbing the ladder off the top. It's just built into the top of the rooftop tent. I'm going to extend it, just kind of use some leverage. Just slides right out and I will grab it and pull it down. Once our ladder is fully extended, we are going to want to adjust it. I'm going to push these 2 red release levers. Push it all the way up. And now let them go down one by one. Let's do one more. We're set. It is sturdy. You can fit 2 to 3 people in this tent. We'd love for you to come see it in person at our showroom on Good Pasture Island Road. Or you can come and check out everything we have to offer on our website, Kendall Subaru Online. Kendall, let's start something great.